splendor of this stone endeared it to my memory with luster only once it shone, and blushes modest as the giver. Some who can sneer at pride have, for my weakness, ridiculed yet still the simple gift I promise, for I am sure to give her nothing. He offers his downcast look, as fearful that I might refuse it. I told him when the gift I took, my only fear should be to lose it. This pledge attentively I viewed, and sparkling as I held it near, the thought one dropped the stone bedewed, and ever since I'd loved adhere, still to adorn his humble youth, nor wealth nor birth their treasures yield, but he who seeks the flowers of truth must quit the garden for the field. 'Tis not the plant upreared in its love which beauty shows and sheds perfume. The flowers which yield the most of both in nature's wild luxuriant bloom. Had fortune aided nature's care, for one forgetting to be blind, his would have been an ample share, if well proportioned to his mind. It had the goddess clearly seen, his form had fixed her fickle breast, her countless holds could his have been, and none remained to give the rest. Hi. Hi, my dear. I do not love you, except because I love you, by Pablo Neruda. I do not love you, except because I love you. I go from loving to not loving you, from waiting to not waiting for you. My heart moves from cold to fire. I love you only because it's you, the one I love. I hate you deeply, and hating you, bend to you, and the measure of my changing love for you is that I do not see you, but love you blindly. Maybe January light will consume my heart with its cruel ray, stealing my key to true calm. In this part of the story, I am the one who dies, the only one, and I will die of love because I love you. Because I love you. Love in fire and blood. Thank you.